Hi everybody, so my name is Rolf and I'm here today to check out RTD's new autonomous vehicle route, Route 61 AV, which runs out at the Panasonic station along the University of Colorado A line. I referred to this as the Panasonic station because Panasonic has its Denver headquarters here and is sponsoring, along with Easy Mile and RTD and others, the autonomous vehicle pilot project. But in fact, this is the 61st and Pena station along RTD's University of Colorado A line that connects the Denver airport with the Union Station in downtown Denver. Interior, and you've got the route down here, and then you've got. Is this for you to?
So this is for us to monitor the speed, the percentage, how many miles it have, and the direction it's going. And right now, it's telling that the left blinker is on. It's supposed to make a left turn. Here's our soft stop button, and it lets us know. It gives us an option, like if we see something, an obstacle that it may detect, but we think that it may be cause a problem. We'll hit soft stop, and it softly stops the bus versus an emergency stop.
Excellent.
And what it just did right now was a programmed automatic left turn, and it does it on the right turn as well. Up here, you'll notice the difference with the button here. It actually go to play, which is asking the operator, saying, is it safe to make this left turn here? And stuff. Even though it doesn't sense anything, it still wants our validation as far as, you know, if it's safe to go and so on. Here's your basically, this is like your horn. So that's what that is, and that's your logs and stuff. And then you got your emergency stops, to where if I don't see anything, anybody can hit those and get on and hit it. This is how we get it through the emergency glass here and stuff. And basically, this here lets the passengers know how long to the next stop, which I actually like that. I like how they did that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
That's really neat.
Yeah, because it gives you the actual minutes with that time. And take it from me being a bus operator, if we have that way if somebody say, if I'm here at Pena, they say, how long is it going to take me to get to light? I can say, it's going to take us an extra 5 minutes or so, or I'm running behind, I'm going to be there in 13 minutes.
So we should have
that. Know? So I think they should. Being a programmer, I sat there and was like, they should put that in there.
And I see you've got your joysticks.
Yeah, the joystick is for if any time we have to go in manual mode. Like earlier, I had to do it because up here at the construction, they had a forklift in the path, so I had to switch to manual, and then we use this to actually drive the AV, which is pretty cool. So it feels like we're playing a video game.
Yeah, that's fascinating though to see. There's my briefcase, and there's just.
And as you notice, it goes like 13, 15 miles per hour. That's the top speed that it goes. When we go into manual, the top speed is only 3. So it doesn't go any faster than 3 miles per hour for us. And you'll notice how it's going to...
Oh, when you go into, if you take over the operations, it's like 3. Cause
it only goes up to 3.
Wow, pretty cool. Have you had an occasion, or you or anyone else, like in like snowy weather or rainy weather or anything like that?
So the snowy weather, yes, I actually had the experience of it last week when we had the bus bridge issue with the light rail being down.
Right.
I had it out, and we had to pull it in because the snow started getting bad. At first it was doing good, but when the heavy snow comes in, that's when it has a hard time. It'll stop. And that's what it kept doing. So I do know that they're working on trying to figure out ways around it. And Montreal, from what I heard, that Montreal is testing a solution out there with their snow with one of the AVs, and they said it's actually working pretty good. So they may try to implement it here as well, which, you know, like I told them, I said, my idea, I said, thinking like a programmer outside the box, figure out a way to color code it. If they can figure out a way to color code it and detect the difference between people and cars within that same color, which is white, then I think it can help. Because then, you know, it'll know, okay, this is okay, this is safe. Because on the sensors, it'll show that the snow is blue. So it's like, you know, let's figure out a way to do that. You know, the difference between a person and a car is the car will come towards, you know, it's coming in within a momentum. So you hit that green button there, that's how you get the bus to go when it's in auto mode. And so as long as the door is open, it will not move anything at all. So as soon as somebody hits this button, then the doors are closed.
Oh,
and
terrific.
you're ready to go.
Great. Excellent.
So that's how you get it to go once you load up and all that. And as you can see, that is our handicap.
Yes.
So when we get to the next stop, I'll show you that.
Oh, that'd be terrific. That's great.
How that works.
I'm with RTD's legal department. I was working on the agreements that we needed to get this done, but I hadn't had a chance to ride it, and I'm taking some video. I'm just going to show it to the rest of the folks back in legal and show them how this is working out, because we're very interested in it.
Oh yeah, I tell them it is. Hey, take it from me, it is an amazing ordeal. And I'm a game programmer, so being a part of something like this, I was like very excited when they asked me, do you want to volunteer for it? I'm like, heck yeah. I'm like, that's, you know, I'm into technology. Let's do it.
Awesome. That's great.
You know, and my goal is to get into RTD as a software engineer. So,
Super.
And they said this is a good step as well. They can hit this, and then basically what it does is to close the back.
Wow.
Now the black bar there, that's the sensor. So if anybody comes near that black bar, if it gets really close, it pulls back in.
Oh,
So it
that's
automatically
fantastic.
retracts back and goes back in.
That's totally flush.
Yeah, it has sensors on the inside to where if there's anything left on it, it won't come out, which sucks sometimes, they say, basically, because if that happens, maintenance will have to come and actually
It just sits there.
manually undo it and everything. Then you sit the button back, there you go.
Wow.
So we have to always make sure it's cleaned off after it's being used, so that way, like little rocks and stuff, because even just a little small rock can be on it, and it can cause it to not want to pull out.
Now, so the only reason we really have the accessorized vehicle is if somebody really needs securement.
If they need securement, exactly.
All right.
So if they don't need securement, they can ride all day.
That's great. That's wonderful. I'm going to try to get I've got two sons who I think would be interested in seeing this, and I'm going to try to get them out here one day.
Yeah, they do it Monday through Friday, 10 to 6.
10 to 6, right. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, you'll see me pretty much almost every day. Monday and Tuesday, I'm here from 7. Well, I'll get here like at 9. So basically, I'll do the morning shift, which is from 10 to 1.
Is it operating this Monday, President's Day, or do you know?
I believe so. I think so. I would say I would double check
I'll
just to make sure.
double check on the schedule.
Yeah. And it's actually an RTD app, which surprised us. We were happy to see that. And it's actually in the, you go to RTD app, it actually shows 61
It's on there. It's an official route, 61 AV. Pretty cool.
So what it's doing right now is yielding to the stop sign. We were with them to program this part. Because we were like, it stopped. When they first did it, stopped like a little further back, and we were like, no, we gotta come up close, because when we come to stop signs, we stop here, but then we yield down a bit so that we can double check and see how it's doing. Is actually it's stopped.
Sure.
And now it's yielding. Now it's asking me, is it safe to keep going? I'm telling it, yes.
You're double checking on that.
Yep.
That's great. That'll be interesting once they get these. If it's continuing to operate once those apartments or that hotel is open, or the apartments. So I'm not sure if we're planning on operating it that long. But.
From what I understood, they said that's their goal.
Yeah.
And if so, they'll probably service it around the apartments and stuff. And I was like, that'd be pretty cool. I mean,
yeah.
You know, I think what they should do is get buses out here.
Yes.
I think if they can get buses out here, that would definitely help out with that.
Right. Just to get a little more traffic here to see how it's working with more traffic.
Like I had a young lady yesterday. She wanted to take the 169, and the 169 goes right here to the light. If they had the 169 just loop through here to pick her up or something, she probably would have rode this until the 169 came.
Oh yeah, so you could actually use it as a true transfer. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I just did that for a family. They
Well-
were coming out the parking lot
Now,
over here.
here we've got a couple that are waiting, it looks like,
They want to get on it
to
too.
ride. Yeah, pretty neat. And they've got their car parked. I'll be curious to see how this handles it with a car parked there, to see if it recognizes that. Pretty neat. Well, thank you very much, Dwayne. I sure appreciate it.
No problem. If you want to see how if it recognizes, I can let you'll see it once I start it up again.
Okay.
Because the car is kind of like in this path a bit, and then and I can stop it like up here that way and let you know.
Sure, I'll do that.
You guys want to jump on and give it a try? And let you know it's very fast.
It's pretty cool though.
Hit that green button and that's your way to tell it to go.
How often do you get a chance to ride in an autonomous vehicle? Pretty cool.
I know, right?
So now it's going to come right up
So,
here.
Yeah, right now it's moving up, and now it's supposed to sense the car, which is doing right now.
Mm-hmm.
And this is how it reacts to something coming up really close within, a certain feet.
Pretty neat. I wonder if she's even aware that this is an autonomous vehicle or he. Now, can I hop out of right here?
Yeah.
Great.
So then this is what I would do. I would hit the soft stop button
Excellent.
here, and that's how you feel the soft stop.
Super.